Welcome guys. So let's solve this 528 random pick with weights. So you're given zero index array where wi describes the weight of ith index, and we randomly pick an index of 0 up to w length -1. And the problem is that there is a probability distribution which wi is divided by sum of w. So for example, 1, 3, you need to choose the 0 index with 25% and one index with 75%. Okay, you can check these two examples. Okay, so let me just quickly mention. So for example, let's say W is, let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer will be, the output will be 0, 1, also 0 and 1 or 2. But the problem is that with the probability 1/6, probability of 2/6, probability of 3/6. So the problem is how to generate this. Okay, so the easy idea is that you first do accumulate. So first accumulate W. So let's say I build another, let's call it accumulate W, become 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So which is 1, 3, and 6. Okay, then I randomly sample integer. Let's say I randomly sample. So I just randomly pick, say 0 to 5. Okay, so I will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 randomly pick. And whenever I pick 0, I choose this guy. Whenever I pick 1, 2, 3, I choose this guy. Whenever I pick 1, 2, I choose this guy. 3, 4, 5, I choose this guy. Okay, so 1, 3, 6, this becomes 0, this becomes 1, 2, this becomes 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what you understand is what? So you need to, given a number, you can view this as array L. So let's say the random number you generate X, all you need to find is what? The successor of X. Okay, so which is a successor of X, defined to be all the element, sorry, I should say the there's 3, so which is a maximum of let me just write this. So in the computer science, this is a called successor, which is y belongs to L, such that let me just write this. So which is you take a, so your answer must be greater than 3. For example, you take 3, the answer must be this, right? So you need to find the first element in L such that greater than X. So it's y y greater than X, and then take the minimum. Okay, so this is called a successor. Okay, so how do you find successor? Use the binary search, right? So binary search. Yeah, so use a binary search. Okay, so now it's very simple. You just need to use binary search to find successor because this guy is a sorted array, right? So let's say, so you find L and R, and you take the middle one. Okay, so let's say if the middle one is less than your successor X, for example, let's say this is 3, this is 5, right? And then you know what? That you know you should come out with the rest. You should you should increase, right? So L defined to be n plus 1. If these guys greater or equal to X, then you should make what? So in this case, the M may be the answer, right? So in this case, you just need to define R to be M, okay? And then finally, you just return L, okay? Also return R, okay? So yeah, this is the, yeah, so you just define this. So in the sorted array, find successor or predecessor using the binary search. Okay, so very easy, define a set W0, and then that's define total. Okay, and then you do this accumulation, and then you pick index, just randomly choose some total, and then do the binary search on the array, and then do M. Okay, so ideally, just binary search, very trivial binary search, left and right. And yeah, you can just follow code. If that's an x, then just make or equal to x, right? Otherwise, right? Oh, sorry. So this in this case, if this is, you need to do this, right? Because our problem must be find something which is strictly greater. So if the less or equal to x, then you just change L to m plus 1. Otherwise, then you choose m. Okay, so this is a successor. Okay, so that's it. Then you can solve this problem. Yeah, so I think it's very easy. So I don't want to waste you guys' time. Okay, so see you guys next videos.